ACCURL new EURO Pro series has increased working speed, stroke, daylight, pressing capacities. It has advanced technologies and impressively designed with the most flexible features and options. The Pro model is the ultimate in creating complex parts. CNC control baggage has 4 axes, with light curtain on the back for upgraded protection. Electric cabinet keeps constant and stable temperature and humidity. The DA66T offers 2D programming and 3D simulation that includes automatic bending sequence calculation and collision detection. 4 2D machine set up with multiple tool stations, giving true feedback on the product feasibility and handling. 3D simulation ensures no errors in actual bending progress. Axis movements are driven by heavy linear guides, ball screws. All baggage movements are fast and precise, with x-axis speeds up to 400 mm per second and accuracy to 0.01 mm. ACCURL EURO Pro price break is equipped with hybrid eco-function, saving energy and electricity to a large extent. It rises at 190 mm per second and descends at 210 mm per second. The laser-safe advancements in camera-based technology make it possible to implement special functions that deliver higher levels of safety for the machine operator, as well as greater operational stability in various environments, enhance functionality, and improve productivity. ACCURL 9P finger block is customized for box bending. Bending steps can be easily settled on the controller with little deviation.